This video is to tell you guys that I'm starting my rupees 500 coding classes from 1st of December 2021, in which you will get 14 coding classes in just rupees 500. Registrations for the classes begins from today. So if you want to avail the coding classes in order to know the in and outs of the coding, so you can avail these rupees 500 coding classes, right? Contact me on my number 9891665634 for booking your seats for these 500 rupees coding classes, right? And in these classes you will get to know everything related to coding, whether it's the basic things or the advanced concepts. So this is it. Thank you very much for watching the video. God bless you all and have a great day. Bye bye and take care.